Let's talk about some of your favorites that we've talked about before. And then we'll talk about some of the new investments. Peak Fintech, PKK on the CSE, Fintech, lending, China. It just seems like that's a company you discovered a year ago and is absolutely blowing up now in terms of its execution.
Yeah, and I guess maybe a sort of a latency point I'll mention on when you talked about GMBL, but is similar to Peak and some of the others, is the patience one needs to have to hold on to these things. I mean, as we've talked, me and you, we were both extremely bullish on GMBL, but for whatever reason, it took the market some time to discover its potential. And a lot of that had to do is it was a new name. And even though that it achieved NASDAQ, it's not so easy to get into the mainstream of a DraftKings and Penn Central and so forth, Penn Gaming, that it becomes like a go-to stock. And so this takes time. With Peak Fintech, it is just going to have, in my feeling, a monster year. There's a company that is, I just mentioned to you on NASDAQ. It's called Upstart, good name, UPST. Also in peer-to-peer lending, and very, very interesting comparable. They came public, I could be wrong here, 6-8 months ago at $20 on NASDAQ.
Yeah,
they're $145 now. And Kramer was on, they're on a show, and he said, don't sell, this is just the beginning. And as people may know, Peak Fintech is completing a prospectus financing in Canada and then going to NASDAQ. And I believe that once the US audience, which really is a window to Asia and everywhere else, finds out what this company is doing and how it's executing, like, my God, this is just going to be a moonshot.
Yeah, lending platform that's completely reorganizing lending in China and moving it from regional and who you know to a complete lending platform driven by artificial intelligence that matches AGORACOM over here with Sheldon Financial on the other side of the country. Two of us who normally never would have met, but through AI, we're a perfect match. You get the customer you're looking for, I get the loan I'm looking for, and away you go. PKK, unbelievable things.